You see that cute little puppy? That's Lucas. And that cool mouse? That's me. It was a dark and rainy night outside, but inside it was warm and cozy. The perfect setting for chilling and relaxing before bedtime. Maybe that's true for a chilled-out mouse like me, but not for Lucas. Lucas, you've got to bring it down, my little canine brother.
Look, Red! Look what I have!
Lucas, you have to stop.
I can't! I can't stop! I can't! What is that huge, scary sound?
Calm down.
It's the end of the world! It's a lion! And tigers! And a shark!
No, Lucas.
It's a giant squirrel! A monster squirrel!
You don't have to worry, my friend. This is not a lion or a monster squirrel.
No?
No. This is just the sound of thunder.
Thunder?
Yes, thunder. Thunder is just a sound that Mother Nature makes when there's a storm, Lucas. It may sound loud and scary and make you want to shout, but thunder's nothing for you to worry about. We're safe inside. Relax. 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 There's nothing to worry about. You just need to chill and be cool like your boy Mouse here whenever there's a thunder strike. Watch and learn.
What's that terrible sound? The sky is falling! A monster squirrel is taking over the world! It's the end!
Oops. It's just the puppy.